Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends, my family, my colleagues. Peace be upon all of you. Today, I am just done with my intense workout session, my running, my jogging, and my playing with the machines. And now I am taking you to a very beautiful spot of the beautiful park, Sunset View Park. Excuse me for the lighting. The lighting is so dark here, so I will be taking you all to this beautiful place, Goshaye Iqbal. As you can see, this beautiful writing along with the portrait of the poet of the East, the great Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Gosha Iqbal. Basically, Gosha is a word of Persian. Gosha means corner. So I am taking you all into the Gosha. See this beautiful entrance. See this beautiful entrance. My goodness. See this. And see this. I am taking you all to this beautiful Gosha Iqbal. How beautiful it is. Just see this. I am so much enchanted from this. تاریخ کی دوا اندلس کے میدان جنگ میں یہ غازی یہ تیرے خودسار بندے جنہیں تو نے بخشا ہے ذوق خدائی دو نیم ان کی ٹھوکر سے صحرا و دریا سمٹ کر پہاڑ ان کی ہیبت سے رائی. You know this poem, these two lines is always recited by the armed forces of Pakistan, by the Air Force, by the Army and by the Navy. So especially these two lines, my goodness, I love these two lines. Tarikh ki dua, Andalus ke Maidan Jang mein. I must read about this Andalus ke Maidan Jang mein. So taking you to this great personality, I love him, the great Allama, this beautiful portrait of him. He is sitting proud, he is sitting. See this. You know, this is the father of Iqbal, Nur Muhammad. God bless you for the services you have given such a great personality to the Muslims of the subcontinent. Mother of Iqbal, the great mother of Iqbal, she is reciting Holy Quran, I guess, yes, of course. The great mother of the great son, the passport of great Allama Iqbal, the elder brother Sheikh Ata Muhammad of Iqbal, the knighthood, I think it's some sort of award that was being awarded to the doctor. So, moving you to the Dr. Muhammad Iqbal, Barrister of Law, Lahore. This is the visiting card. Faculty of Arts. This is to certify that Mr. Muhammad Iqbal, son of Nur Muhammad, a student of the Sialkot Scotch Mission College, passed in the second division the intermediate examinations of Punjab University held in 1995. For your information, the Dr. Saab has passed the intermediate in second division. It gives a lesson to all of us that these academic records is not of much weightage unless you are inactive. You must keep working hard to improve yourself. So this is the BA degree of the great doctor, BA degree in 1897. See this beautiful. This is to certify that Sheikh Muhammad Iqbal, son of Nur Muhammad of the Government College Lahore, has obtained the degree of Bachelor of Arts in this university examination in the year 1897 and then he was placed in the second division. And these one too is the in the second division. And these one, my goodness, Hermanus Wilhelmus Bremen. I think this is the PhD degree from some German university. Sheikh Muhammad Iqbal, ex Singapore examiners. Yeah, ये क्या लेना छोड़. Okay, to be short, it is the PhD degree of the doctor. So, this is the poem of the children's. We used to recite this when we were in school. लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए, हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए. अल्लाह आमीन. This is the well known prayer of the great doctor. So see these beautiful shelves. These shelves include the books, the great books of the great doctor, Dr. Allama Iqbal. I would love to read these all, but I don't have much time. Books layouts, how beautiful this is. See this layout of these books. I am impressed from this layout. فلسفہ اقبال, the philosophy of اقبال. مرد مجاہد, الفاظ و معانی میں توافت نہیں, لیکن ملا کی ازاں اور مجاہد کی ازاں اور. واہ 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 واہ. ملا کی ازاں اور مجاہد کی ازاں اور. بے شک مذہب دشت ہے, دریا بھی نہ چھوڑے ہم نے, بحر ظلمات میں دوڑا دیے گھوڑے ہم نے. ریٹ خودی, غیرت ہے بڑی چیز جہان تقدو میں, پہناتی ہے درویش کو تاج سر دارا. بے شک خودی کا کوئی بلند اتنا کہ ہر تقدیر سے پہلے خدا بندے سے خود پوچھے, بتا تیری رضا کیا ہے. I acknowledge this poetry. This is the world renowned poetry of Allama Iqbal. Basically this is a part of this poem Khudi. I will read it out loud for you, all of this. پانی کر گئی مجھ کو قلندر کی یہ بات, تو جھکا جب گئے کہ آگے نہ من تیرا نہ تن. بے شک خودی ہو زندہ تو دریائے بے کرا پایاب, خودی ہو زندہ تو کوسا پہ نیان و حریر. This one is too difficult to comprehend, but I will try to understand this. ناچیز جہان میں و پر وے تیرے آگے, وہ عالم مجبور ہے تو عالم آزاد. The next poem is of Millat, the nation, the state. صورت شمشیر ہے دست خزاں میں وہ قوم, کرتی ہے جو ہر زمان اپنے عمل کا حساب. بے شک This is for the Pakistani nation exclusively. ہو حلقے یارا تو بریشم کی طرح نرم, رزم حق و باطل ہو تو فولاد ہے مومن. بے شک افراد کے ہاتھوں میں ہے اقوام کی تقدیر, ہر فرد ہے ملت کے مقدر کا شکارہ. بے شک دیے ہاتھ سے دے کر اگر آزاد ہو ملت, ہے ایسی تجارت میں مسلمان کا خسارہ. بے شک ہے زندہ فقط وحدت افکار سے ملت, وحدت ہو فنا جس سے وہ الہام بھی الہام. Now this one is for the جوانان اسلام. سبق پیر پڑھ صداقت کا، عدالت کا، شجاعت کا، لیا جائے گا تجھ سے کام دنیا کی امامت کا۔ ہزاروں سال نرگس اپنی بے نوری پہ روتی ہے، بڑی مشکل سے ہوتا ہے چمن میں دیدے ہوئے پیدا۔ اس قوم کو شمشیر کی حاجت نہیں رہتی ہو جس کے جوانوں کی خودی صورت فولاد۔ بے شک مجھے ان جوانوں سے ہے محبت، مجھے ان جوانوں سے ہے، ستاروں پہ جو ڈالتے ہیں کمل۔ بے شک I acknowledge this۔ تیرے صوفے ہے افرنگی، تیرے قالین ہے ایرانی، لہو مجھ کو رلاتی ہے جوانوں کی تنگ I am this person, this was the diamond, this was the gem, this was the diamond. This great Allama Iqbal was basically a gem for this nation. Now see this. فرد قائم ربط ملت سے ہے تنہا کچھ نہیں، موج ہے دریا میں اور بیرون دریا کچھ نہیں۔ بے شک my favorite کی محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم سے وفات تو نے، تو ہم تیرے ہے، یہ جہاں چیز کیا ہے، لوح و قلم تیرے ہے۔ Basically that majesty, the omnipresent, the omnipresent, that magnificent is addressing us that کی محمد سے وفا تو ہم تیرے ہیں، کہ if you are loyal, if you will be following the teachings of that greatest poet, Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, so that majesty is promising یہ جہاں چیز کیا ہے، لوح و قلم تیرے ہے، کہہ رہا this universe is nothing, you will be granted with everything you want. So this is my favorite poetry of this great doctor. And now taking you all to these inspirational quotes. First one, this one: be aware of your own worth, use all of your power to achieve it. Create an ocean from a dewdrop, do not beg for the light of the moon, obtain it from the spark within you. My goodness, I love this. Dr. Muhammad Iqbal, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. The second one, this one: people who have no hold over their thinking process are likely to be ruined by the liberty of thought. If thought is immature, liberty of thought becomes a method of turning man into animals. I acknowledge this. My goodness, this person was the diamond, this person was the gem. This one: failure is not fatal until we surrender. Trying again is the key of glorious victory. Of course. I am enchanted with this inspirational quotes of the great Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. These ones say the ultimate aim of ego is not to see something, but to be something. Of course. This one says a wrong concept misleads the understanding, a wrong deed. A wrong concept misleads the understanding. A wrong deed degrades the whole man and may eventually demolish the structure of human ego. This one is the great saying of this great Iqbal. And the last one, Iqbal says, rise above interest and private ambition, pass from matter to spiral matter. From matter to spiral, matter is diversity, spiral is light, life and unity. The great Dr. Muhammad Iqbal. My goodness, I love you, Doctor. Oh, بتایا یار. And now she is beautiful. ہاں یہ تو آپ ایک So now see this beautiful part of this bookshelf. Inshallah, I will be reading all this. This one is the intellectual legacy. This is the son of the great doctor, Dr. Javed Iqbal. He was the justice of the Islamabad High Court, I guess. I will be reading this.